Hey, welcome back. Wanted to show you guys the reason why I named my objects and stuff like that in the Panorama device. And let's just jump down and show you guys. So give me 1 second. So if we go and look at the firewall itself, and we just switch context down. So here's the panorama, and we're looking at the 3220. And if we go into the policies tab and look at our security, we can see that the name of the rule makes sense. So DNS sinkhole block, but instead it has this BP dash appended to it. Same with the tag. So when I'm looking at the context device, I can quickly identify what device group we are referencing, and just whenever we want, when we want to jump back down into the firewall, our panorama, it's easier to identify what configuration value needs to be changed. And let's see if this works. Keep our fingers crossed. Keep them crossed.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Alright, cool. Now we're back on the panorama. And we can see, let me zoom out a little bit. We're looking at this rule. Let me scroll back up. And let's go look at the pre-rules that we were looking at earlier on the context device itself. And once Panorama decides to play nice, more than likely it's my last pass crap on there, the little add-on, web browser add-on, that's messing things up. But if we go and look at it, we can quickly see the BP, meaning best practices, is there. And if we go down into the local config, so the ZTP, we can see where those other two rules came from. But it's kind of hard to identify where this configuration lives if you're in the context device. So that's one reason why I recommend naming your objects or security policies accordingly to the device group in which they're in. And you can kind of see this if we go to the Objects tab and we go and look at the tags. We started doing that. We can see the location here in Panorama, but you cannot see the location in the context device. But if you name your objects with a meaningful value, it makes it easier for you to identify what configuration change needs to be done and where. But yeah, that's my quick little example.